Have you ever needed to quickly talk to someone just to check in, confirm something, or to get a quick update? Not a long meeting, not a deep conversation, just something fast and simple? In American English, we say, let's touch base. But what does that really mean? Today, I'll show you exactly what this idiom means, when Americans use it, and how you can use it naturally in real life. Let's get started. So what does touch base mean? Let's break it down. This idiom comes from baseball. When a player runs around the field, they must touch the base to stay safe and to continue playing. In everyday English, touch base means make quick contact with someone, check in briefly, or share or confirm information. It's usually short, informal, and not a long discussion. Now, this idiom is one of those idioms that you hear all over the United States, in offices especially. It's very, very common, whether you're speaking with somebody, business related, or you're sending an email. Let's look at some examples now of how we use this idiom on a day-to-day basis in business and work. Let's imagine you're at work. You're working on a project with a coworker. You say, hey, let's touch base later today. This means let's have a quick conversation later just to check progress. We also very frequently use this idiom when writing emails that are work related. For example, you could send a message to your manager and say, I just wanted to touch base about the deadline. What this means is I wanted to quickly check or confirm something. Imagine now you're on a phone call with a client. You call the client and say, I'm just touching base to see how things are going. What this means is I'm checking in briefly. Now imagine this. You haven't spoken to a coworker for some time. You haven't spoken to this coworker in a few days, and you say, let's touch base this week. This means let's reconnect briefly. Now, one thing I want you to keep in mind is that this idiom is usually used for quick communication and not long explanations. Now, let's work on your pronunciation. Repeat after me. Let's touch base. Let's touch base. Let's touch base. Now, there are many other idioms that Americans use both in a business setting and at work. So I want you to make sure to take a look at part 1 of these idioms listed in the description below.